Hello everyone, Jason again here. So in this session, we're going to see, how to create a virtual network in Azure. So now, in the previous session, we have seen, how to create a resource group. And in this session, we're going to create a virtual network and tag that to the newly created resource group. So log into portal.azure.com, go to home and click on create a resource at the left top. So once you click on create a resource, you will find an option at the left side says networking. Let's search for networking. Networking is here. And now we need to click for virtual network. So once we click on the virtual network, it comes up with the virtual network creation page. So as we did earlier, we need to choose which subscription. And now we have an option of choosing resource group. So we have created a resource group called Jasparrow. So we choose a resource group. So and the instance name. So let's give the name as test Firewall VN. Sounds good. So now we are choosing East US for this. And now what you're going to do is, we're going to go to the next tab. So next tab is choose the IP address and add the subnet. So in the IPv4 space, all you need to do is you need to select. It's already there, 10.0.0.0.16. And for the subnet, what we are going to do is we're going to change the name of the subnet. And the subnet name should be Azure Firewall subnet. So I guess, we'll have it as, let's say we'll have it as it comes around 50 IP address if I give 26. Let's minimize this. Azure Firewall subnet is a name that we have to give. So next, what we're going to do is we are going to save it and click on add subnet. Now we're going to add the second subnet, which is workload subnet. So the workload SN, great. And this is going to be 10.0.2.0/24. So we're changing a subnet to 2 here. And there's going to be different subnet, than the firewall subnet. So now we click on add. So we have added the subnet here. So there are two subnets we have added to the virtual network. The one is a Azure Firewall subnet, and the other one is the server subnet. And now we're going to review and create it. So the template comes. Again, as we discussed earlier, we can download the template, for future use. If not, we can just click on create and have this created. So this creation takes a few seconds. If you look at the right top, you can see the progress bar, that's running. So once it is done, it should tell you, whether it's created or not. Right now, the deployment is in process. Let's hold for the virtual network to have created. Here we go. So if you look at the right top, the deployment has succeeded, and we are all good to go. So thanks, folks. Let's have a quick chat in the next short video. Thank you.